myself Mohammad Lukman Khan and welcome to our new channel Dark Matter Scientific Universe. Today I am sharing my topics solar flares and solar wind. So hello guys, this is me Mohammad Lukman Khan. Since I am busy for a long time, I have posted my blog in a blogger website. So why I am making my new video about solar flare? Because it will came in 2025. Solar flare and solar winds. The sun influence extend to the limit of the solar system. Its teardrop-shaped heliosphere created by the solar winds and filled with its magnetic fields stretched through their solar system past Pluto. Dark region known as sunspot and bright active areas appear where the field break through the photosphere. Enormous loops of gas called fermions and filaments, some of them many times larger than Earth, also shoot forth as shown below. Huge explosions that are known as solar flare erupt. So how solar wind erupt? Solar wind occurs when atomic particles stream out from the sun corona. A gust can amount to 1 million tons of matter per second. Solar wind consists mostly of protons and electrons with tiny amount of silicon, sulfur, calcium, chromium, nickel, neon, and argon ions. This travel up to 540 miles a second fastest when escaping through coronal holes. Particles escape the sun corona soon as left and streak past, but heavy solar winds can disrupt telecommunication on Earth. Solar wind increase when solar flare peak. So how should we protect from the upcoming solar storm which will be held in 2025? How should we protect the Earth from the upcoming solar storm? First point is early warning system. Establishing robust monitoring and early warning system from solar activity is crucial. NASA and other space agencies already have satellite and observatory dedicated to monitoring sun activity. This system can provide advanced notice of impending solar flares and allowing time for preparation. Second point is space weather forecasting. Enhancing our understanding of space weather and improving forecasting capabilities can help predict the intensity and impact of solar flare more accurately. The information can be used to implement appropriate protective measures and mitigate potential damage. Third point is spacecraft and satellite management. During the period of heightened solar activity, and spacecraft and satellite can be put into a safe mode of reposition to minimize exposure to radiation. Fourth point is public awareness and education. Increasing public awareness and education about the risk of solar flare and measures individuals can take to protect themselves can help mitigate the impact of this event. Fifth point is use carbon foil reflector. By using carbon foil reflector, we have to absorb energy of solar heat and reflect the total upcoming heat or solar storm into another direction. Sixth point is add coolant in a carbon foil reflector. By using coolant, we have to convert hot heat, upcoming heat, into a cool air or normal air. So our target is to protect the upcoming solar storm from breakage of Earth's magnetic field. Use carbon composite foil reflector. Target to protect the breakage of Earth's magnetic field. Convert hot flare into a cool air by adding coolant into a carbon foil radiator. Extra heat reverse in another direction where planet is not present. Some heat absorbed and convert into a cool air so that Earth receives no heat season. It becomes normal season. by using coolant supply adding into a carbon foil radiator so that they would be protected from the breakage of Earth's magnetic field. The shield known as the thermal protection system is made up of carbon composite material. The front surface of the heat shield is covered by white ceramic coating designed by reflect to intense heat of sunlight and protect the spacecraft from the extreme temperature. The coating is made up of material carbon-carbon which reinforce a special form of coat and tapped with white coating of alumina and aluminum oxide to reflect as much as. The second method for removing the heat from the atmosphere in 2025 with the use of solar panel. It is another method for removing the heat from the atmosphere by reflecting all the heat trapped within the ozone layer. The heat is reflected back to the atmosphere by the surface of the solar panel. The last and third method which I will use in my project is the use of autonomous drone to removing the heat from the atmosphere. These methods are eco-friendly to the atmosphere. The autonomous drones are providing cool supply to the solar panel which is heated by the solar heat, and these solar panels are helpful to reduce the atmospheric heat trapped within the ozone layer or atmosphere of Earth. The solar panels are very helpful to reduce the atmospheric heat during the summer season because these are eco-friendly, and also we have used the carbon composite reflector. They are shielded with the front layer of alumina oxide which has been capability of high resistance of heat. So if we use all the three methods which is eco-friendly, it is helpful to maintain the solar heat easy during the summer season. The location of summer season are varying because the area is large, so it is helpful if we use solar panel. Also we have used carbon composite reflector and autonomous drone so that it get helpful worldwide area coverage with the GPS with the use of their prototypes. How we can use the autonomous drone for removing the heat from the atmosphere? We can use of autonomous drone for sprinkling a very thin drop of water supply so that the complete one water cycle superficial cloud are formed. This sprinkle drop and cold vaporized air from the condenser evaporate in the atmosphere, form a superficial atmosphere so that the temperature is cooled in summer. These three criteria are helpful to maintain the solar heat during the summer. This is the method of making is not making for artificial cloud. This report I want to submit by my idea by using a natural process by sprinkling a cold water shower in vaporized form. So after one complete air cycle, and atmosphere will become cool with the sprinkling of cold shower of vaporized form of air and diffuse water in the atmosphere. According to second thermodynamic law, if we apply external force or external temperature of cold temperature to the atmosphere, the higher heat will become reduced and temperature will become in thermodynamic equilibrium. There is no demerits of flood and other ecosystem imbalance. It is a city-wise coverage. Since the area of the atmosphere is large, it is a city-wise coverage. Use the prototype of drones. During my report, I have measured the temperature data graph in which I have cooled the temperature in the upcoming summer season with respect to the summer of 2024. I have drawn a graph in MS Excel in which I have calculated the temperature in 2024 in May, June, July and August. These are the 4-month continued drone supply so that the temperature is to become normal in summer season, in which blue color line is representing summer season in 2024 and violet color line is representing the temperature in 2025. These are the graphs represented below. In this autonomous drone, I have selected the symmetric airfoil of NACAD 2412. Here we have measured the different type of graphs by using the analysis of ANSYS airfoil NACAD 2412 symmetric airfoil. Different readings of graph is to be mentioned below. These mentioned graphs are with turbulence and without turbulence are showing in this video. Thank you so much. Go to subscribe my channel, like and share also. Thank you.